Assalamu alaikum Anglicans. So I hope everything is going smoothly by the mercy of Almighty Allah. So first of all, I'm Aisha Ali Raimo from Pumps, and I want to first of all I want to be grateful. I want to be extend my heartfelt gratitude to Sir Sikandar for this heartwarm invitation, and also heartfelt congratulations to those who are the position holders. And also, I want to say one thing to those who are. And also, I want to say one thing to those who are the best competitor but do not get any position. Never lose hope. This is just a test, and never lose hope. Always give your best. Always give your 100%. Give and do your best. You will get best. Because whenever I was in first year class, I was so worried, and then Sir Sikandar came to me, as you all know, is my brother, and he came to me. He said that Aisha, don't worry. This is just a test, and this is nothing. It's just a test. And he tell me one quotation that was very memorable quotation, and I was just impressed from that quote. There was this, that shoot for moon. Even you fail, fall among the stars. This was just I still remember that quote, and I was just like this quote because and. I also read somewhere another quotation by the Nelson Mandela, as you all know. He write that the greatest glory is not never fall. The greatest glory is that rise every time after falling. That means you will fall every time. This is not you are thinking that this is the test and you will you get position. This is the big. No, this is not big thing. Every time you will fall. Not here, then you will fall in another place, but you will fall, then you will get up. But just get up. Fall 7 times, but get at 8 times. Just get up. And I'm very glad to be at ELSA, an inspirational place. From first day, I want to become here, and I want to share my experience with you guys. I don't think that you need some kind of motivation, because you guys are already motivated. You guys are well motivated, and at least you guys have motive. At least you guys have aim of life. Because when we were in metric class, we have no aim how to live, what we have to be. Whenever I was in metric class, my teacher asked me, Aisha, what you want to be? I was thinking what I want to be, because I have nothing to want to be, because I'm just going to school and came back and nothing to do. And he said, man, what you want? I think I was just silent. I said nothing. But after some time, a brightness came in my life. That brightness was no one. That was my Sir Sikandar. He was actually my motivation of my Sir Sikandar. He is my first teacher after my father. This is not a kind of praise. This is reality. I'm very impressed from Sir Sikandar. He is my first mentor, and he came in my life. He came from university after graduation and came at home, and then he gave he gave aim to my life, and he gave second name to my life, that what I want to be. And he said, just give your input, give your 100%. You will surely get output. So you guys have this. You guys have already motivation, Sir Sikandar, what I have. And Sir Sikandar also said that this is not just a medical field. There are a lot of fields in this world. You have to choose, because this is I have experience about this field. This is very boring field. And I'm in second year, but I still have lot of things to, I have to pass them, and I have to become, this is not just a doctorate, this is just selection in university. There are a lot of things I have to pass them. So, and one last thing I want to say you guys, that please make your priorities. First you have to your priorities. First there are some things that you make your Indian priorities. First is that you have to motive. You have to goal in your life. That's what you have. Already you have, as I have listened these guys. And second thing is that you have to focus on your motive. Thank you. Jazakallah.